Welcome to today's video on Bayesian statistics. Bayesian statistics is a powerful framework for reasoning under uncertainty, and it's fundamentally different from the traditional approach to statistics that most people learn in school. At its core, Bayesian statistics is built around Bayes' theorem, developed by Reverend Thomas Bayes in the 18th century. The theorem describes how to update the probability of a hypothesis as new evidence becomes available. In simple terms, you start with a belief, you collect data, and then you revise that belief accordingly. The key components are the prior, the likelihood, and the posterior. The prior represents your initial belief about something before seeing any data. The likelihood measures how probable the observed data is given a particular hypothesis. And the posterior is your updated belief after combining the prior with the likelihood. The famous formula is posterior is proportional to likelihood multiplied by prior. This contrasts sharply with frequentist statistics, the more traditional approach, which treats probability purely as the long-run frequency of events and doesn't incorporate prior beliefs. One major advantage of Bayesian statistics is its flexibility. You can continuously update your beliefs as new data arrives, making it incredibly useful in real-world applications like medical diagnostics, machine learning, spam filtering, and even financial modeling. A practical example is medical testing. If a rare disease affects 1 in 10,000 people, even a highly accurate test can produce misleading results. Bayesian reasoning accounts for this low prior probability, giving doctors a much more realistic interpretation of test results. In modern computing, Bayesian methods have exploded in popularity thanks to techniques like Markov chain Monte Carlo, or MCMC, which allow complex probability distributions to be estimated computationally, something previously impossible by hand. Today, Bayesian statistics underpins cutting-edge fields including artificial intelligence, climate modeling, and neuroscience, making it one of the most relevant and growing areas of modern data science. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.